Now, as this one is descending, we have one behind it that is ascending, like that. I'm exaggerating that. You don't make them super, don't make this like a roller coaster, okay? This is just really just subtle lines like this, back and forth, weaving back and forth like this. Okay, and as you go off into the distance, smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller until you're just going up near the shoreline. Okay? You got that? You can even say that as you're doing it. It actually helps. Oh. Okay. Anybody else have any questions or have any difficulty? We are going to break here in a couple of minutes for a snack. I usually just eat right here because I typically tend to teach while I'm having a little break. You guys, if you want to go somewhere, just try to be back here in 20, 25